CarFest is unity in the community, bringing people together and helping those in need. We are a community of automotive professionals dedicated to building skills, creating quality, and pride in the industry.
There are lots of things in this industry you can do.
And last but definitely not least, Arturo Valentin.
Everything we do is for you, our community. Over $100,000 have been raised for trade schools and students. Over $100,000 in vehicle repairs have been made for local charities each year. Our goal is to educate the youth about careers in the automotive industry. Trade schools offer insight into automotive education, and there are how-to clinics with the pros, from beginner to advanced. There really is something for everyone. Plus, every year, CarFest gives away 10 cars to the general public.
Got a new reason to travel around town.
The car event kicks off Friday night with Friday night lights with some really cool cars. There's also a barbecue cook-off, Battle of the Bands, Kids Zone. That's entertainment for the whole family. You can really put your skills to the test with cool racing simulators and pit stop competitions. Lots of great shopping and a perfect place for wholesalers to be face-to-face with their customers. With over 300 volunteers each year, all working together with the automotive industry, we hope to unite our community and give back.
I was about to butcher that last name.
I'm very lucky to have a vehicle that runs, but my sister, her vehicle's getting pretty bad right now, so she does need a vehicle. So
If you need a vehicle, great. If you don't, just pay it forward.
Thank you.
Mark your calendars. CarFest 2018 is April 7th and 8th.